patients ki balong positive mentah kasi ki long lai balong positive paro lang kelum lang ki long khat phra ki ba ni pha ya ki sample mentes hadu mentah kasi ki long arfo hajar sispa prafu ar but ki samples ki ba long negative ki long khat khandai hajar khandai spa arfo arngut ki dei na ka force BSF but iwei bede idei na po kanapara
hadin bang yu I ya ke jingkiu kane ka numbers jong ki positive cases kham tam ka ba dei bodar bat ka Guwahati lane bat ka Assam ka basdang nadu nang ne na po bernihat syatesha du kanapara te ngila ai ya karai bat ngila ai ke direction lamba jong ka health department IDHS gumju ka district administration ka bakuntup ya DMHU syati bangin ya menta nadu la syai ngi haban le du ya ka random testing ya kitu ginong song snong ha kitu ki jaka hadin bang yu I bakani ka kes ka kham kiu hakini ki area nadu bernihat hadu angte kanapara ka bakongsan ka mengirai ngila ai ka direction ka curfew ka bajudon tangpor menmit kendai baje menmit hadu san baje menstep nadu shibit kendai baje menmit ka curfew hakini ki jaka Porliboy district border ya ka Guwahati ngin ai ka total curfew nadu shibit menmit hadu lasngin kong kabalong South Hope Raganta hadu lasngin kong menstep hadu bangin da penbej da kumwei pat bat kan ni ka jingle kalong na ka benta ka safety ka jingsong sngan jong ki paj ba no song snong jong ke jela ka jongi kam tam ki basa ha ki ni ki border bat ka Guwahati lane bat ka Assam wherever the jurisdiction of Meghalaya lies curfew will be applicable wherever the jurisdiction of Meghalaya ends outside of the jurisdiction, curfew will not be applicable. Because see, left side is Meghalaya and right side is Assam. As of now, the urban agglomeration of Guwahati, they do have a total lockdown. They do have a total lockdown. And now from tonight itself, from Meghalaya side, we will have a total curfew where the district administration will be in place to make sure that nobody comes out of their house or of their compound.